Yeah, so today I will be attending to comments live and I will be solving this problem live. So you can say, normally when you have a problem like this, you have to try using your knowledge of square root. So normally if you remember your square, your multiplication table, it will be very easy for you to work with this type of problem. And mostly people try as much as possible to understand that they can apply their knowledge of quadratic equation, um, and it also work very well for this type of problem. But I would also like to see your comment below, your answer in the comment. You can put your answer in the comment section. You can possibly show me how you would have solved it differently or you would have solved it no problem. But if at all you don't have knowledge or but if, in fact, if you have a limited knowledge about it, no problem. You can watch me solve it here, and you will know, and you will never forget it again. Because I'm going to solve it very slowly, and also remember that you can play back at any time. You can play back the video at any time so that you will master the way I saw. So let's say if you have this is 4 square, I mean if this is 4q square. Now the 4 here isn't squared, it's only the letter q that is squared. And then we have equals to 36 here. This is 36. So now let's say we are going to take out the letters, the q square. All right, so when I take q to my left, I am going to have um, 36. So now normally there are so many ways that you can get this. Normally you know very well that a number that times itself to give you 36 is 6. And of course, if I divide 6 by 2, I am going to have 3. And if I if I take if I divide this thing both sides, that's I'll divide this 36 by 4. I am going to have a 9. All right. So if I have 9, I will simply take the square root of 9. Okay. So that means that my q square is equals to 9. Okay. So I can get the square root of this. The square root of 9 is 3. Okay, so this is the answer. This is positive 3. Now there are two ways we can get this answer. Our q square can be minus 3 or plus 3 because we are dealing with a quadratic equation. Okay, so we have to apply the rules of the equation. Okay, so this is very simple. Um, the square root of 9 is 3. That means that 3 times 3 will give you 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So that is why we have the square root as 3. Okay, so this is very simple, and this is the best way you can do it. But you can also show your own working in the comment below. All right. So thank you. I will see you next time. Watch out for the next class or for the next video. I hope this explained better. So you can apply this same method to solve so many problems of this kind. Okay, you can use this same method to solve many problems of this kind. For example, if you have, let me say that maybe you have c squared to be equal to 9. These problems always come up, you know. So now, how do you solve this? You can you can solve this. Remember the way I solved it the first time. Remember that you see is equals to minus or plus the square root of 9. Okay, so now remember we said that the square root of 9, this is plus or minus 3. Okay, so the square root of 9 is 3 because 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so that's just how to do this type of problems. This type of problems always come out in most um, um, basic equations, especially when you're dealing with quadratic expressions. So thank you so much. It may look as if you don't know how to take a step, but this is just how you can solve it. Thank you. Now, if I want, I can try solving other problems, but I want you to know that you can watch out for more of my videos. You can watch out for more of my videos because I will be uploading more and more so that you can be able to to solve more problems in mathematics. And it's not very hard, it's very simple to learn with me. If you have 16k squared to be equals to 49, now how would you solve this one? Now remember the first example we did, you can take out, this is k squared to be equals to 49. So now you can do k squared is equals to this 49 divided by 16. Okay, so this is 16. Okay, here is k. So to k, okay, yeah, you can put your square. So k squared divided by 16. Now you will take the square root. This is 49 divided by 16. Remember, 7 times 7 is 49, and 4 times 4 is 16. So these two numbers can go into this